so I'm not usually a handy person. This is why I have my husband, but I have assembled this before, so we're gonna do it again. And hopefully I don't put things together backwards. You gonna help me? Here, hold this. You're not helping. What? What, baby? What? Oh, I love you too. You stink. You need a bath. Can I finish this? I didn't even start it yet. Can I do this? I don't want that. That's not helping. Nope. Okay, I discovered a little trick for the handles. So basically, get the hole here, get your little screw. You put the screw in first, and then hold it with your finger, and then just twist the knob. You don't need a screwdriver. Pretty cool, huh? appearances of any struggling I may have had doing this, this actually was really super easy to assemble, and it only took me about half an hour. And definitely a lot sturdier than a lot of the storage containers that I've used before, and a major improvement. I love this thing, and I can't wait to put it to use. So the drawers do slide very easily. The wheels do have brakes on them if you want them to stay still and you don't want them rolling around. And the top is very sturdy. As you can see, I'm leaning on it. I would definitely recommend buying this if you are an artist or a major crafter, or if you have a lot of tools lying around that you don't have a place for. This is perfect. It runs for about somewhere between $80 and $90 on Amazon. I will put the link in the description box below, and I hope you like this video. Thanks!